Hello YouTube, and today we have a new tropical system out in the Atlantic. It's Tropical Storm Dorian, and it's pretty far off the coast of Africa as it is located here. And the active storm information is that here, the Tropical Storm Dorian, and the storm's forecast path is about going to take it in, maybe strengthen it a little bit, and supposed to weaken due to some dry air and upper level low close to the United States. And eventually by Monday, when it could affect the Caribbean islands, the Lesser Antilles, and maybe even Puerto Rico. As the models, most of them take it above the islands, but some take it up farther north, and some take it south. And the advisory as of the advisory number 2, and the storm is located 14.3 north, 29.9 west, about 410 miles west-southwest of Cape Verde Islands. Maximum sustained winds are at 50 miles per hour, and is moving at 21 miles per hour to the west-northwest, and the pressure is about 1,002 millibars. And this is what we have so far. And the satellite loops of the storm in the infrared taking a second. And there you go. Alright, the wait. Maps, I'm having some trouble to load up. And there you go. Here it is. You can't barely see it. It's right off the coast of Africa. As you can see, it's moving off the coast of Africa. And we're going to go in infrared. It's probably not there either. It's just coming to the map. And the water vapor, which is, this is the upper level low right there, and that's the dry air where there's no clouds, and this is the upper level low, and that's where Dorian is heading over to the Caribbean. So it's probably gonna rip apart like Chantal did, how it got ripped apart from that air, same way, similar, but over here. So this probably could have a stronger, strengthen more, and maybe get ripped apart more there. And we're gonna check the nova and the Eastern Atlantic, as it is on a radar. You can see this, the center. The strongest thunderstorms, the center is right about there where the strongest thunderstorms are, and there's not that many clouds, but it's really well defined, the center circulation. That's why it's storm. But we do have in the Pacific, I exited out. In the Pacific region, we have an invest, a 50% chance in invest, which eventually could affect Hawaii in the next coming days. As you can see, the invest is right here, I think. It's much larger than Dorian is, but there's Hawaii, and there's the system. So eventually the models are predicting the system to develop and go as a weak storm to Hawaii. So that if that happens, we can see in the maps and the active storm information, which we have none. And that's pretty much it for Tropical Storm Dorian out in the Atlantic, and we do have actually a new area right there. I just closed it out and came back, and now there's a new area. 20% chance, a small area, but I think that's the upper level low. So if this could also maybe, but unlikely right now. I think that's the upper level low, since that is where it is. But if that upper level low turns into a tropical system, then Dorian probably would likely get stronger than in the Caribbean. After passing the dry air, it could maybe shrink into a hurricane if this does develop into a system. But thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.